We are here at the Sky High Lodge in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. This place has a view of the Rockies that will take your breath away. We're gonna give you a full tour and show you what it's like to stay here for a night.
Coming through the front door off to this side, we have something unique from this host that we've never seen before, are multiple framed maps of places that they recommend you to go. So you can actually visualize where these places are and know the best spots in town for fishing, dinner, and activities. Continuing down this hall, you have a full bath and laundry room, and then continuing on into the open main floor. Right here is the large kitchen that has plenty of counter space and all your main appliances. They have multiple chairs along this bar so you can sit and enjoy while someone's cooking in the kitchen. And then the room opens up into the dining area and living room with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the Rocky Mountains, and in my opinion is a $1 million view. Right here is the large dining table with these green felt chairs that are so soft and comfortable. And then on the other side is the living room with blue couches and a fireplace that has beautiful white tile going all the way up. They've perfectly pieced together all these different colors and textures. It's inspiring me for our home. And I know Hayden loves these rustic chandeliers and the beams that extend all the way up to this vaulted ceiling.
Oh, I love it. It's awesome.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Right off the stairs, you have a desk and little seating area overlooking the main floor with a view out those large windows. Up here, they have 2 bedrooms. Both of them have queen beds. This one has a green paint color that is so cute. I love it. And then this bedroom has a window that actually overlooks the dining area and lets in the light from the main floor windows. So I'm really glad they added that because it keeps it nice and bright. And then both of these bedrooms share a bathroom. And now let's go to the bottom floor. By the way, if you're a host of an amazing and unique Airbnb and you want us to feature your place on our page, all you have to do is go to journeymore.com and fill out the contact form. There's a 1 bedroom down here that has 2 twin beds and a closet for storage. They also have another washer and dryer. And then it opens up into the game room with a pool table and TV and some super cool wallpaper. And then finally, a full kitchen downstairs with a mini bar and perfect spot to whip up some drinks and snacks for this little game area. Now Hayden is gonna show you guys outside and give you a closer look at that incredible view.
Under the deck, you've got a nice little seating area with a table, and off to my left is probably one of our favorite parts, a perfectly placed giant hot tub to take in all of those mountains. Above me is the deck that comes right off of that main floor, and that is definitely the best view of this property. You can see multiple 14ers, which are mountains in Colorado whose peaks exceed 14,000 feet in elevation. And then to my left is probably my personal favorite part, the fire pit right out here in front to take in that $1 million view. And if you haven't had enough of this amazing property, they actually have a hiking trail that goes off to the side, which the host said is perfect for sunrise and sunset. If you want to stay here at the Sky High Lodge in Glenwood Springs, Colorado, we will leave a link in the description below. Sitting here at the top of this mountain is just surreal. Out in the distance, there's multiple 14ers, and one of them is Mount Elbert, which is the 2nd highest mountain in the intercontinental US. It's the tallest mountain in Colorado, and we will actually be hiking it the day after tomorrow, bottom to top. We're super excited, also a little nervous too, but you'll have to check that video out as well. Being at 8,500 feet in elevation, it stays cool up here, so a hot tub always feels good. And with this view, this might be the best hot tub and view combo we've ever experienced.
like there are plenty of places to eat in Glenwood Springs, so let's go find one.
Are you excited?
Yes. Very excited.
It was delicious. Probably one of my favorite places we've eaten in Colorado so far.
Ooh, big statement.
Bold statement. Bold statement.
Okay, all right.
Very good. Right there. Side pocket.
Ooh, I live again. And he wins.
Victorious. But you came back and it was really good.
Thank you.
I must say. You had me on the ropes.
Look what Hayden Hughes got for us. Cookies.
Yummy.
Good morning. Hayden and I have so enjoyed our night and loved waking up to the view out those windows this morning. And now we're gonna try something new and simple for breakfast. Is it good? Good.
I'm interested to see how these pancake bowls
Pancake bowls.
turn out.
We'll see.
So you add water, microwave it, and then it's supposed to turn into a pancake bowl.
Yep. And then hopefully Kodiak will see this video and want to sponsor us in
Yes.
the future.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Whoa!
It's like a pancake in a cup.
So cool.
That's cool. Number 2. What's the verdict?
I am very impressed by this. I did not understand what it was going to be like to eat a pancake from a cup, but it's exactly what you think it would be, and I would say I would have this again, for sure.
Yeah.
It's so easy, too, and I feel like I'm eating more than just, like, cereal.
Yep. One last thing we gotta do before we leave.
Game over, baby.
Alright, let's see who's the victor. What'd you get?
105.
110.
Stop it! Really?
Yep.
Dang.
Wow, we would have tied if I had not discarded the queen. Beat you!
Wow. I'm surprised.
Our stay here at the Sky High Lodge has been nothing short of incredible. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, comment down below what do you think of this beautiful cabin in Glenwood Springs, Colorado.